Hello and welcome to your 10-minute meditation. Today we're going to take some simple but very effective steps to reduce any stress or anxiety you may be feeling and to increase your sense of peace and calm. We'll begin by using the breath to relax the body. Then we'll use our senses to ground ourselves in the present moment. And we'll end this meditation with some very positive words. Begin by finding any comfortable position. You can even do this one standing up if you like. Firstly, begin to take some deeper breaths. In through your nose if you can. Breathing in your own time. And making your exhale longer than your inhale. Slowing down your exhale. If you're experiencing any tension right now, you might feel like you're breathing very high up in the body, at the top of your lungs, or even feeling it around your shoulders. And so, as we breathe in and out, wherever you feel that you're breathing, begin to bring the breath a little lower down in the body. Feel that breath moving lower in the chest, down to the center of your body. And gradually, as you feel able, bring that breath down into your belly. There's no rush. Breathing in and breathing out. If it feels good, you might choose to place one hand on your belly, feeling it begin to rise and fall as you breathe in and as you breathe out. Take your time. Each exhale is a chance to release, to let go, to soften a little bit more. Feel your body gently expanding as you breathe in. And feel everything relax as you breathe out. Continue like this at your own pace, feeling the calming rhythm of your breath lower down in your body. Now for the second part of this meditation, we'll ground ourselves more in the present moment by noticing what's around us using our senses. If your eyes are closed, then slowly open them. And one by one, you're going to notice 3 things that you can see right now. Look around or simply notice what's right in front of you. What's the first thing that you can see? Take your time to really see that thing. The shapes, the colors, the textures, the way the light catches it. Look at it as if you're seeing it for the very first time. And then, what's the second thing you can see? Take your time to really see that thing. The colors, the shapes, the textures, the light and shade. Look at it as if you've never seen it before. And now, what's the third thing you can see? Look at it with interest. See the colors, the patterns and shapes. Investigate it with your eyes. And now you're going to bring your attention to two things that you can hear. Listen carefully and begin to focus on the loudest sound you can hear. Take a moment to really hear that sound and to notice it just the way it is. And then let that sound go and focus instead on a quieter sound you can hear. Maybe it's a very distant sound, or even the sound of your breath. Take a moment to really hear that sound and to notice it just the way it is. Good. And then, notice one thing that you can feel. This could be the ground under your feet, the chair you're sitting on, the fabric of your clothes against your skin, the temperature of the air. Notice one thing you can feel and allow yourself to really feel this sensation. Investigate it with your mind and allow it to be just the way it is. Because you are here in this moment, and that's all you need to be. For the final part of this meditation, I invite you to repeat a few positive words after me, either silently in your mind or out loud. Repeat after me. I am here in this moment. My breath flows in, and my breath flows out. I am here, and I am grounded. In this moment, I have everything I need. And in this moment, I am at peace. Once more. I am here in this moment. My breath flows in, and my breath flows out. I am here, and I am grounded. In this moment, I have everything I need. And in this moment, I am at peace. Good. Take your time now. Move slowly and gently, and take this peace and calm with you. Thank you for joining me for this 10-minute meditation. I'm sending you peace. I'm sending you love. And I'm sending you happiness for the rest of your day.